Nothing can ever go right, I swear.
What are we doing now?
Another easy mod. So some more stuff on the back here. We're gonna do the wing. Finally going big wing.
That's right, we're gonna remove this. So big wing it is. We have the APR GTC-300. You guys have seen that on mine, right over there. It's a fairly simple install. It's really not all that hard. Just a few holes to drill. Other than that, it's pretty much straightforward.
How many holes do we have to make?
One on each side, and then we gotta drill a hole. Yeah, one down here, and then one hole up here. That's easy. Did all 6 bolts, so now they're just held on by pop clips, so you gotta whack it up pretty good. Oh, you got it. All right, hold
Nice.
that.
Hold it. Got it.
Yeah. Now you gotta clean all that off.
Fuck.
Here you go. This is what your car looks like wingless.
Yeah.
Looks weird, huh?
Yeah. That's really weird.
So there's only, well, on the top there's one hole. This hole has to be drilled. It's really a small hole, and the stock wing will cover it up anyway, so no need to worry. So if you decide to go back to the stock wing, just cover it up with a little piece of vinyl, and that's good. Shouldn't leak. Change mine out every once in a while. So we're just gonna mount this loosely with the provided hardware, and then that's gonna show us exactly where to drill the hole. So it's nice quality hardware. I don't know what size Allen wrench this is, but it comes with these nylon lug nuts or lock nuts, so it doesn't come loose on you. Oh,
Oh, there's no wing on it.
yeah. I don't want to drop this washer in there. Yeah. So that's good for now. Give us a good gauge on where we are going to drill.
Can I put a third one in or no?
Nah, we can't because we have to drill down here.
I have to drill 2 holes?
Yeah.
So drill one right here.
Because we have to drill one to get through the metal.
Oh, shit.
You know what I mean? It was that long bolt.
Yeah.
So that's why we got the punch. It'll show us
Nice.
exactly where to drill. So now these holes are put in loosely. We lined it up with this hole back here, and then we're gonna use our center punch to help us mark where to drill. And use a center punch right here on this one too. And yeah, start drilling. So you're gonna punch right here. Right in that hole, right in the center.
There.
Yep. Get a punch?
I think so.
Oh, there you go. Oh, shit. So the reason why we use a center punch so that it helps the drill stay center, so it doesn't move around and scratch the carbon fiber. So,
Oh, we're gonna drill straight through the hole?
yeah, we're gonna go drill straight through.
Oh, okay.
Last chance.
Go ahead. Let's do it. Not the first hole.
I know, huh?
There it goes.
All right, so this is the hole we just drilled. Now those, you're gonna use the short bolts for that one, not the long ones.
Nothing can ever go right, I swear. So during the wing install, the kit's supposed to come with 2 25mm bolts for these holes right here, for the little bit smaller, that way it doesn't hit the trunk so you can shut it. And they're not there. Nothing can ever go right. Fuck this. I'm over it. Selling the car now.
You guys can see it from the top, but we just drilled a hole from the top, which lets us know exactly where to drill using our Christmas tree little thingamabobber. And now we're just gonna drill. Time to put the wing on. Got to take the wrapper off. I can't believe it got dark so fast, man.
I think it's out real fast. Watch, the bolts are going to be in here.
So we got the main part of the wing on there. Now we just have to put the end plates on there and then we should be done. Oh, and tighten these down too. So end plates.
Big wing it is.
Casey, man, you happy with the purchase here?
Yeah.
Yeah, digging it.
Yeah.
Speechless.
It definitely fits the wide body a lot better than the stock wing does. And I was surprised by how the carbon fiber like black looks. Just goes with all the other black and blue that I have going on right now. So I think it accents the back of the car, especially with the new taillights also, like perfectly. Take away some of the blue because there's a lot of blue on the car already. So, and then just the width of it is almost perfect for the wide body. So
I guess that's it for the video.
yeah.
All right, Casey, do the outro.
Deuces.
Casey, all right, man? What happened?
I left my headlights on too long.
And what happened?
You know what happened?
Your battery's dead?
Battery died.
All right, see ya. I'm out. Sucks to be you, motherfucker. Hope you find a jumper pack.